Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross, back in the building with another video. And yo, check this out. Look what we got coming up on the horizon, yo. Look at this. Can y'all see it already? Can y'all see it yet? Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh, look at that boy right there. Rolex, Rolex, Rolex. Yeah. Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross, and we are back in the building, and we working on that DIY, do-it-yourself watch club watch. Yo, this was definitely a great experience for me, and I would really recommend anybody who's into watches and has that passion like I do or like others in my circle do to definitely pick one of these up and check it out for sure. It's definitely worth it. So right here, I'm laying out all the tools and all the parts, and I immediately feel intimidated because I'm thinking in my mind, like, I'm not gonna be able to do this. You know what I mean? So I hit the code, looked it up on my phone, and went through the instructions, right? So my intimidation immediately turned to frustration. Now I got totally frustrated, and you know what? Your boy starts sweating. Yes, I start.
Paul, you're dripping with perspiration.
Yes, I start sweating on this joint because I'm like, wow. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is probably not half of what real watchmakers go through putting together watches. I watch cats online put together watches on YouTube, and it's no joke. And this little thing that I was doing had me frustrated. Yo, incredible. But my frustration soon turned to relief. It turned to relief because once I started putting it all together and like the parts was linking up at like a computer, you know what I mean? Like you need the motherboard, you need the RAM, you need whoop whoop wham, you need the fan, power supply, and all that stuff. So it started clicking for me, you know. The movement, of course, is the Japanese workhorse, the Seiko NH35. You know what I mean? Seen right here in that dial is a pristine black. You understand me? Like when I put this dial on, and in my mind, I'm like, yo, this is so freaking simple. That's what I'm saying. But then I go back to, yo, what if you had to unscrew the whole movement, everything, every single part? Okay, you had to unscrew. You know, what if you had to do that, Ross? You know what I mean? And it's like, yo, I don't know if I personally will have enough patience. I think as far as DIY goes, this is as far as I'm willing to take it. You know what I mean? Like putting together a watch in this fashion versus having to put together the whole movement and all that. No, I don't think so. Then I had a real problem with the hands, but I finally got the hands on. The iron hand and the minute hand was easy to get on. It was that freaking seconds hand that was killing me. And right here, we almost got the finished product. We do have the finished product right here. We have the finished freaking product, and look, it's looking dapper like a mug. There it is on the wrist, yo, with that blue stretch elastic NATO. Woo-hoo. Yo, shout out to DIY for sending this to me. Thank you very much. This was an experience, and y'all should experience this. So check out the link in the description and go copy out one of these and have some watch fun. Peace.